Politics peaking over the Central Vista project and Prime Minister's inspection, and on the other hand, the Bharat Bandh called by the farmers. Jaivir Shergill of the Congress Party is with us. Jaivir, how do you see after his visit to America, Prime Minister comes and goes and inspects? You've tweeted against it, but what's the harm when he goes and sees a project that's happening? The BJP leaders say that he's a true karma yogi.
There is no harm. It's a Prime Minister's visit to the Parliament construction site is a clear example of misplaced priorities. Prime Minister is most welcome to go and inspect the Parliament construction site. But the moot question is, when will he go inspect and inspect the farmer protest sites and listen to their problems? When will he go inspect the blatant shameless loot being carried out at petrol pumps due to the BJP government when the fuel and diesel is selling above rupees 100? When will he go inspect and meet the families, the victims' family of COVID death victims? When will he go inspect the oxygen production units, whether they have enough supply in case, God forbid, the third wave of COVID comes? So as I said, Prime Minister is only focusing on issues which are limited to the lens of camera. Prime Minister only believes in television, does not have a strong vision to resolve the problems of this nation inflicted by the Bharatiya Janata Party government.
The thing is that the MP Congress has called him Camera GV, while Shivraj Singh Chauhan says that he is a true karma yogi.
It is the primary duty of entire BJP brigade and leadership, and it is a tragedy. The tragedy of the entire BJP brigade and leadership today, that their main job is now to not serve the people. Their main job is not to behave like leaders. Their main job is to behave like cheerleaders of the Prime Minister Modi. And the entire BJP is only busy clapping for the Prime Minister rather than solving the problems of price rise, COVID mismanagement and the farmer crisis in the nation. I would request senior leaders like Shivraj Chauhan that not to become mere puppets, not to become cheerleaders, and behave like leaders and serve their state and do governance which the people deserve.
The fact is that even today there's a Bharat Bandh and the farmers have called for this. The Congress party supported it, while the BJP says that the Aam Aadmi is facing a lot of problem on the road.
Not only the Congress party, I think the entire nation is supporting the Bharat Bandh. The nation must support the Bharat Bandh to raise a voice against BJP's 1 year of tyranny and give support to the resolve and resilience of the farmers. BJP is on a mission for Kisan Mukt Bharat, which should never be fulfilled. Number 3, the Aam Aadmi is not troubled by 1 day of Bharat Bandh and traffic issues. The Aam Aadmi is really troubled by the 7 years of economy bandh, the economy chakka jam being done by the Bharatiya Janata Party, leading to high fuel prices, high cylinder prices, utter COVID mismanagement, farmer crisis and the national security issues. So BJP should stop pointing fingers at the farmers and see at the 4 fingers pointing at them the pain of the people, and do the inspection, as I said, at all the farmer crisis site, petrol pumps and the COVID hospitals which failed the people of India.
Alright, so here the Karma Yogi, the Camera GV and the Kisans, politics in full swing in the national capital. With video journalist Sanjeev, this is Mosmi Singh in Delhi for India Today.